better newsman than you'll ever be.
No, you're not. Hey, guys, breaking news. This guy's trying to replace me.
Yeah, sure I am. And this channel will be called Game Like Villager.
No, that's unrealistic. Game Like Aiden is perfect. Just the way it is. And you cannot change it.
Oh, yes, I can. I can if I want to.
No, you cannot. This is my channel with Elijah and Aaron.
Well, soon it's gonna be my channel with Jamie the Villager and Jeremy the Villager.
Are you mocking me or something? Because you sound unwell.
This is how I speak, loser. I'm out of here. Heck, you can even have your dumb channel. I'm not even subscribed. You're gonna have 0 subscribers.
Well, guys, please subscribe to my channel to prove that dumb villager wrong. We will reach 1 million subscribers. Just watch and comment who do you think will be a better newsman, because I'm getting really mad and I want to beat up that hater. Yeah, I hate haters. Fight me.
What the heck, dude? I was joking about taking your channel.
Well, you won't be joking after this smack in the face. Big nose. Hi-ya! I hate haters.